Hello everyone, this is Deepti Dindi and you're watching me on Tech My Head channel. So in this video, I'm going to share the hiring process of HCL Technologies and the training they will provide after getting selected into the HCL. So if you are a person who are planning to get placed in HCL, we have done a video of interview experience by a HCL candidate in our channel. So we are providing the link in the description below. So please go to the link and watch it, which might help you in reaching your goal. Before diving into the video, if you are a person who is watching our channel for the first time, please do subscribe to our channel. First of all, let's discuss the hiring process of HCL Technologies. HCL hires the freshers through two ways. The first way is, as we all know, that through campus recruitment. So here you have to go through an online written test and an interview to get selected. So the second way of hiring process is First Careers by HCL Technologies. It's a 6-month training program in which they'll train fresh engineers for the entry-level job roles in HCL Technologies. So students who completes this training program will become a part of HCL across the globe. So this program goes beyond merely training. It opens viable career options that accelerate professional growth in IT industry. So candidates who successfully completes this training program will be given assured jobs across wide variety of domains and technologies. So the duration of this program is, as I have already told you, 6 months. So this program is not for free, guys. You have to pay 1.5 lakh to get enrolled in this program. Although this program is paid, there will be a selection procedure for this program. So first of all, you have to get registered into the HCL website, and the second thing is you have to go through an online counseling which will be provided by HCL Technologies, and later you will have to go through online aptitude test and you have to clear an interview to get selected for this program. So once you successfully clear the interview, you will receive an offer letter from HCL. So after receiving the offer letter, you will have to upload some documents into the HCL website, like 10th certificate, inter certificate, graduation certificate, PAN card, an address proof, a color photograph, and the offer letter with self-attested on all the pages. So coming to the training details, the training period of HCL will be 6 months. This training will be common for both the hiring process. So the training consists of two phases. First phase is called OCT, that means on class training. So the duration of OCT is 3 months. In this training, they will divide you into batches and gives you training according to your capability. That means if you are extreme beginner and you have very limited knowledge about programming languages, they will start with some basic programming languages like C++. If you have some good knowledge on programming languages, they will give some advanced programming languages like Core Java, Python, etc. So there will be 3 tests uh, throughout this training program. So you have to pass each and every test in order to complete this phase of training. So the pass percentage of each test will be 60%. You have to get 60% or above in order to complete this training period. After successful completion of your on-class training, you will go into second phase of training called on-job training. So the duration of on-job training is also 3 months. So in this 3 months duration, they'll teach you advanced technologies and project related technologies. So at the end of this on-job training, you will have to submit a demo project to them. So once you have successfully complete this phase of training, so you're out of this training. That means you successfully completed HCL training period. So if you are a person who got selected for HCL and waiting for the onboarding process, I guess this video might help you a lot. So if you have any query related to HCL or any other job update, please feel free to write in the comment section below, and you can also write us at techmyhair@gmail.com. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up, share it to your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon below for not missing another update from Tech My Hair. See you in the next video.